What's up, everybody? What's up? I might sound a little bit different tonight. I feel like I caught a cold. It's not bad to the point where I would want to cancel a stream, but I still want to talk to you guys. It's just at the really annoying part where I just keep sneezing and I just have a really runny nose. So apologies if I just mute a lot, if I need to blow my nose. But yeah, the nose is running away. It's very annoying. No. No need to mute. No, that's oh, you can hear the stuffy nose. Yep. That's nasty. That's nasty. A sneeze was about to come. Hold on. Oh, sneeze. Yeah! You know, this is the thing I hate, when the sneeze is just about to come, but it won't come. Please! Okay, no, the sneeze is gone. Never mind. You know, private. Can you just freaking sneeze, babe? Can you please sneeze? If Bae sneeze, the stream ends. Oh, that sounds like a good challenge. We should do that. We really should do that. If I end up sneezing in this stream, it's over. Okay? Okay? How about we do that? なんか、ずっとくしゃみできない、まあ、できなさそうなので、もしくしゃみ出たら配信がすぐ終わります。よし。Uh-oh. No. No. It didn't happen. No, I'm back. No, I refuse. I want to finish these super chats. No!